man. Just chilling around the way. Let's do this acapella style. Yeah, man. A masterpiece of my work, nearly completed. I first got called from the nurse and the hospital clerk. Bad news made me throw on a shirt. A nightmare pictured in my mind, got my thoughts berserk. Fatally wounded my man Keith, I came to be. Last night we drunk Bacardi at the block party. Been friends since age 10 when we took karate. I started running back, plus ran track for varsity. Could have had it all, he went to the pros. But coach rode him hard cause he powdered his nose with cocaine and his skills declined. He couldn't get the tough yards, moms tried to stay him on path. He let down his guard, then he started riding the pine. Keith was on the bench with all these thoughts in his mind. He had to resign, got a bag, got his bags and left. No rehab, lamping off the dough that he had. He threw parties at his pad, jacuzzi baths. I glanced at an ashtray full of coke bags, the same paraphernalia that was stashed in his jag. Whenever he ran out, got stressed out and mad, but let it all go when Moy told him, "You the dad, got a child by Peaches. Your little son is going to need you to teach him," was what I told him. Converted to the family life, movies and bowling. Proud to have a seed with his name so he can mold him. Walking them through all of the malls, letting you hold him. My man got his thoughts together, and it was showing till one day a former friend had to betray. Told Keith he was released to the streets and needed to stay in his basement. Just got out of jail and was facing time on weapon possession and high-speed chasing. But opened the doors from the goodness of his heart. Peaches saw him moving them bags. She told him stop. Mad at the outburst, he went to go cop Glock from Fat Mark, living on the next block. Ran up in the house from the back with no knock. Stood over Peaches and Keith and let shots pop, 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 pop. A member from the neighborhood watch called the cops. Shots rang out, tears and cries of pain sang out. He took their last breath like James Lights Out Tony. I gave a speech at my homie ceremony. Now every week investigators want a testimony. Told them all I knew, Lil Blue from the Bonies. I stopped smoking and drinking to focus on the phonies. They put the pressure on Blue. Caught him on the Ave in the Bagamy path. Right hand tried to grab when I heard a loud blast. Resisting the rest got him a slug to the chest. What a mess. Above seen a dove leave its nest and fly west. Now tell me what that mean. Was it Keith looking down on the scene? Cars driving by when the gangster leaned to see if they got him. Even though they heard when they shot him. I'm tired of life around me being violent. There's gotta be a better way, so I'ma strive for a better day. So I'ma strive for a better day.